Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of my travel vlog where I would be sharing my experiences of Manali. Well, Manali doesn't need an introduction. We, that is I and my husband, visited Manali to experience snowfall and play with the snow. We booked a Volvo online and boarded the bus at around 8 pm from Majnu Ka Tilla bus stand in Delhi. We reached Manali at around 9:30 am the next morning. The sky was dark and we just kept hoping that there would be snowfall. We checked in at the Hotel Club Mahindra and had some breakfast. The hotel offered beautiful views of the Himalayas all around, and to be really truthful, views at the hotel that day were the best that we could experience on that day. At around 12:30 pm, we booked a cab which charged us ₹2,000 for one day of sightseeing. The places of interest were Vashisht Ashram, the Manali Nature Park, the Hirimba Temple and the Mall Road. We visited the Manali Nature Park located just near the Mall Road. This was a beautiful little park with lots and lots of trees, and you can take a walk around. The air inside felt so fresh. After this, we visited the Hirimba Temple. This temple is one of the very famous temples in Manali. Nestled among the cedar forests, there is an aura of mystery surrounding this wooden temple. Hirimba Devi is worshipped in the cave enclosed by the temple. One can enter the cave and worship the deity. Hirimba Devi is associated with Mahabharata and she is the Rakshasa wife of Bhim. She is considered as the nature goddess or the goddess of the forests by the local devotees. This temple was built in the year 1553 by the Maharaja Bahadur Singh. This wooden temple is very beautifully and intricately carved, and this temple is built in the typical Himachali pagoda style. Our next destination was the Vashisht Temple. Vashisht Temple is located in the Vashisht village of Manali. This was founded by Guru Vashisht, who was the cool guru of Ram and Lakshman. This temple is believed to be 4,000 years old and has a hot spring nearby where lots of devotees take dip. After this, we asked our cab driver to drop us at the Mall Road area where we had our dinner at the Chopsticks restaurant. The Kulu trout was really very delicious. If you are a non-vegetarian, do not miss eating this Kulu trout. This is a speciality of this area and is really tasty. Next morning, we checked out of our hotel after breakfast and booked a cab for the day. The travel agent informed that there was fresh snowfall at Solang Valley and we were off to experience the snow. This one-day trip cost us ₹2,300 and it included Solang Valley, Manu Temple and the Siali Mahadev Temple. Solang Valley is located about 14 kilometers northwest of Manali on the way to Rotang Pass. Doesn't the fresh snowfall look like icing sugar on a world made of cookies? So white and so beautiful. The gigantic Himalayan peaks surrounded this beautiful Solang Valley. So finally, we could experience snow. We got our snowsuit, boots, gloves and booked a guided adventure package for ₹4,000 for 2 people. The adventure package included skiing, ziplining, tire gliding and yak rides. I did not want to sit on a yak and hence we did not do the yak riding sport. We got down and walked up to our skiing point. The snow was fresh and soft and felt like heaps of salt beneath our feet. At every step, our leg would first dip down into the knee-deep snow before we could get a foothold. The feeling was just awesome. However, we had to be very cautious. This terrain was completely unknown to us, and the snowfall had completely covered the rocks and stones and potholes, and it was very difficult to know where we were laying our foot. However, our guide helped us through this walk. We tried our skiing equipments and pretended to ski. Of course, it was fun, but this sport is not an easy one, as you can see in the video. One should not expect to glide down the snow like a pro as soon as they wear the skiing boots. You can see us struggling to ski, and I was really afraid of twisting my ankle. The next sport was our glide on a rubber tube down the snowy slopes. This was really fun. Ziplining was a wonderful experience, and the feeling of flying over the valley and the streams and the people was so exciting. Snow everywhere, and how could we return without making a snowman? So we started off with our creative skills. Our next destination was the Siali Mahadev temple. However, on the way we stopped at the Nehru Kund. It was a little natural water source gushing out of the mountains. This water is said to have medicinal properties. This Kund got its name from our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who used to drink water from this Kund every day during his stay at Manali. This is the Siali Mahadev temple. Finally, we were at a place in Manali which was entirely ours for the next 1 hour. And we spent some time admiring this beautiful Himachali temple. The temple was beautifully carved in wood. Carved wooden pillars, railings and wooden hangings constituted this temple, which enclosed the main shrine of Lord Shiva inside. This temple provided beautiful views of the surrounding village with the mountains at the backdrop. Tall pines, deodars and apple trees surrounded this beautiful temple. It had a pagoda-like structure at the hind side and a pent roof structure at the front side. Our next destination was the Manu temple in Old Manali. This temple is dedicated to sage Manu who created the Manusmriti. It is said that after the great floods, Manu stepped out of his ark on this earth at this place, and this place came to be known as Manu Alaya. Alaya referring to home, and this changed with time to its present form Manali. Thousands of tourists visit Manali every year at different times of the year. Some visit to escape the heat of the plains, some visit to see trees loaded with apples, some to experience snow, some to experience adventure or history, and the list goes on. Manali has something for everyone. This was all about our 1 night and 2 days trip to Manali from Delhi. If you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.